Welcome to our SolidWorks tutorial series. Whether you are new to CAD or looking to enhance your skills, you are in the right place. I am your instructor and today we will dive into the fundamentals of SolidWorks and applications in mechanical design and drawings. SolidWorks is a powerful tool used by engineers and designers worldwide for creating detailed 3D models, simulations, and technical drawings. It's widely acclaimed for its user-friendly interface and features that streamline the design process. To get started, let's explore some key features and capabilities of SolidWorks. At the heart of SolidWorks lies its sketching environment, where you can create 2D sketches that form the basics of your 3D models. With instructive tools like lines, arcs, and circles, sketching becomes, once you are creating a sketch, you can use the features to turn it into the 3D object. This allows you to easily add depth and shape to your designs. SolidWorks also excels in assembly design. You can assemble multiple parts together. Now let's discuss the application of SolidWorks in mechanical design and drawing. SolidWorks enables you to generate detailed technical drawings with dimensions and other necessary details. These drawings are essential for manufacturing and assembly. From aerospace to automotive or medical devices to electronic devices, SolidWorks is used for drawing. Additionally, SolidWorks offers simulations capabilities that allow you to test the performance and behavior of your designs under various conditions. This helps in identify potential issues early in the design process. Whether you design a simple part of the tool, you need to bring your idea to life efficiently and accurately. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we will dive deeper into specific features and advanced techniques. Thank you.